I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with attorney John Haymond from Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Jordan. So nice to be here with you and your viewers.
Okay, so we got an email from Erica, and she wrote in, "My husband and I were involved in a terrible accident on our way home from watching the Super Bowl. I never got a chance to talk to the other driver, who was clearly at fault, but while getting into the ambulance with my husband, who was injured, I overheard the police officer mention that the other driver had just left a restaurant. If the other driver was drinking, will that matter?"
Well, the answer is absolutely it will matter. Let's start with the primary claim against the driver who was at fault. We would pursue a claim diligently and very aggressively against the other party's insurance as well as any other assets that he or she may own. Now, if the person at fault who caused this accident was drinking at a restaurant and they overserved this person and they knew or should have known that the person was drunk and nevertheless failed to stop serving, then we have what's called a dram shop claim. And under the laws in Massachusetts, under the dram shop claim, there are unlimited damages that we can pursue. And what we do is get investigators involved because we need to find independent witnesses who can clearly establish that the person was drunk and ought not to have been served additional alcohol.
Okay, so if the driver was coming from home, not a restaurant, but was still drinking, how would that change things, or would it?
Actually, it really wouldn't. Massachusetts is one of 2 states in the United States that permits you to pursue a claim against a homeowner if they overserve one of their guests and they knew or should have known that that person was inebriated and nevertheless continued to serve them alcohol, which ultimately results in an injury to somebody else. So that homeowner can be sued and their homeowner's insurance would cover the damages.
All right, thanks, John. That's great advice. And to ask the attorney your question, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.